Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for tuna pasta bake. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we start off with 300 grams of dry pasta, just whatever shape you have. Cover it with water and then we're going to season liberally with lots of salt. Now while our pasta is cooking, we're going to go over to a frying pan, spray it with some low calorie cooking oil, and to that we're going to add 2 courgettes which have been cut into 1 centimeter dice, 5 spring onions that have been trimmed, and we're going to cook those for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to add half a teaspoonful of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic granules, 400 milliliters of vegetable or chicken stock, 100 grams of frozen peas, 100 grams of spinach, a tablespoonful of lemon juice, and then we'll just give that a stir around, cook it for about 5 minutes until the spinach is wilted. Now we're going to add 150 grams of low-fat cream cheese. Now we're going to give that a quick stir around, just let the cheese melt, infuse with all the stock and form a sauce. Now to that then we're going to add the cooked pasta which has been drained from earlier on, and we'll just let that thicken. So while our sauce is thickening, we're just going to organise our tuna. We take 320 grams of tuna, use the best quality you have. I use a local tuna called Shines, and we'll just pop it into a bowl. Now we'll take it over to the frying pan, add it to the pasta, give that a quick stir around. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button because it does help make that I can make further videos for you. Now we're going to top our pasta with some grated cheese. I use about 40 grams of reduced calorie. And then we're going to go over to a preheated oven which has been preheated to 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan. And we're going to cook that for about 10 minutes just until the cheese melts. So now that our cheese is melted, our pasta bake is ready to serve. As you can see, it's creamy, it's thick. Now folks, again, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.